హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు స్వాతి ట్యూటోరియల్స్. ఈరోజు మనం పేర్ ఆఫ్ స్ట్రైట్ లైన్స్ థియరమ్ 2 చూద్దామండి. స్టేట్మెంట్ వచ్చేసి షో దట్ ద ప్రోడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద పర్పెండిక్యులర్ డిస్టెన్సెస్ ఫ్రమ్ ఏ పాయింట్ ఆల్ఫా కమా బీటా టు ద పేర్ ఆఫ్ స్ట్రైట్ లైన్స్ x square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0 is a alpha square plus 2h alpha beta plus b beta square by to the root a minus b whole square plus 4h square. ముందు డయాగ్రామ్ చూద్దామండి. x y, this is origin 0 comma 0. Two lines are passing. Let this be the point alpha comma beta. This be the perpendicular distance d1 and this be the perpendicular distance d2. d1 d2. Okay, this is the point alpha comma beta, and here this product of the perpendicular distances from the point alpha comma beta to these straight lines is a alpha square plus 2h alpha beta plus b beta square by to the root a minus b whole square plus 4h square అని మనం ప్రూవ్ చేయాలండి. ప్రూఫ్ రాసుకుందాము. గివెన్ క్వశ్చన్లో ఏమి ఇచ్చారు? గివెన్ h equal to ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0 be the equation 1. Let L1x plus M1y equal to 0 is equation 2. L2x plus M2y equal to 0 be the equation 3. Here what is given in the question? H is equal to product of perpendicular distances, means straight line is passing through the origin, means this is the product of 2 and 3 equations. Equation 1 L1x M1y into L2x plus M2y. By product we get simplification, we get L1 L2 is equal to A, M1 M2 is equal to B, M1 M2 is equal to B, and L1 M2 L2 M1 equal to 2H. We write it in a box. Here formula, product of the perpendicular distances formula is let d1 and d2, this d1 and d2 from the point alpha comma beta are the perpendicular distances. Perpendicular distances from point alpha comma beta to the lines 2 and equation 3 respectively, to the points 2 and 3 respectively. Let d1 equal to L1 alpha plus M1 beta by to the root of L1 square plus M1 square, and d2 equal to L2 alpha plus M2 beta by to the root L1 square L2 square plus M2 square. We get this formula by using distance, perpendicular distance formula, mod of a1x plus b1y plus c by under root a square plus b square. From perpendicular distance from a point formula we get these two perpendicular distances. Here we are doing product of these perpendicular distances d1 into d2. equal to L1 alpha plus M1 beta by 2 the root L1 square plus M1 square into L2 alpha mod of L2 alpha plus M2 beta to the root L2 square plus M2 square. Simplification అంటే just simplification. L1 alpha plus M1 beta into L2 alpha plus M2 beta to the root L1 square plus M1 square into L2 square plus M2 square. Here L1 L2 alpha square, L1 M2 alpha beta, M1 L2 beta alpha, M1 M2 beta to the root of product and we are doing in denominator L1 L2 whole square, L1 M2 whole square, M1 L2 whole square, M1 M2 whole square. Here L1 L2 means A, alpha square, alpha beta, L1 M2, alpha beta we are taking common from two these, M2 L2, M1 M2 means B beta by to the root of L1 L2 minus M1 M2 whole square plus 2 L1 L2 M1 M2 plus L1 M2 plus L2 M1 whole square minus 2 L1 L2 M1 M2 plus L1 M2 minus M1 M2 we are get cancelled. We get this step by using formulas and two formulas. A square plus B square can be written as, here this A square plus B square can be written as this step and by using A minus B whole square plus 2AB, A plus B whole square minus 2AB. Next step, product of D1 D2 perpendicular distances from the point alpha comma beta can be written as A alpha square plus 2H alpha beta plus B beta square mod of to the root A minus B whole square, L1 L2 M1 M2 means A minus B whole square plus 4H square, L1 M2 plus L2 M1 means 2H square, 2H whole square, 2H whole square can be written as 4H square, 4H square. Answer we got and hence proved. వీడియోని ఎండ్ వరకు వాచ్ చేయండి. అంటే వీడియో వాచ్ చేసినందుకు థ్యాంక్ యూ.